What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, and it is Tiki Thursday time. Today, for Tiki Thursday, we're going to be making the Fogg Cutter. Not to be confused with the Fogg Cutter, which is Trader Vic's drink. The Fogg Cutter, and the reason why the G's are a little bit elongated, is because the name of this drink has two G's, not to be confused with Trader Vic's Fogg Cutter, which only has one G, like the normal Fogg. So this is a little bit different than Trader Vic's Fogg Cutter, which calls for Orgeat and Sherry. There's no Orgeat and there's no Sherry here. So yeah, this is a little riff, a little variation, but you know, variations are good. So first up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. And then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of fresh lime juice. Yeah, half a lime probably wasn't enough. Let's find a good lime. Yeah, that's a good lime. No, that's an awful lime. That's the most sad thing sometimes, is when you think citrus is good, it has a lot of juice, but it doesn't. Oh Lord, to use more than one lime. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, let's hope this works. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so 1.5 ounces of lime juice. Let's discard our lime wheels. Set our unused lime wheel aside. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. And then instead of Orgeat, we're just gonna be using almond extract. I'm just using McCormick's. And we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of that. Smell it. Oh yeah, that smells really sweet. Okay, the boozy part, very boozy. This is kind of a dangerous drink. I recommend sharing it or doing a half serving because it's a lot of alcohol. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Dark Jamaican Rum. And then 1 ounce of dry gin. For the Jamaican rum, I was using Myers. For the dry gin, I am just using Bombay. Not Bombay Sapphire, which they're known for. Oh my goodness. And then 1 ounce of brandy. I am using Courvoisier VS Cognac. Oh my goodness, very voluminous. And then 1 ounce of light rum. I am using I can't speak French. 1 ounce of light rum. I'm using that brand. We'll just put in post how you pronounce it.
Duquesne.
And it is Rum Blanc Agricole. You can say Blanc, right? My goodness. So in total, this drink has 4 ounces of alcohol, which can be very dangerous. If you're trying to stay, you know, light alcohol, this is not for you. We're gonna combine our tins and shake. Okay. Now that we got that. Lordy, lordy. I forgot something. Let's cut. I forgot my strainer. Okay. We're gonna get our tiki mug, or you can use a highball glass. We're gonna fill it with crushed ice. About, oh my goodness, a little quarter to halfway. And then we are going to be straining. And again, it's always better to add less ice, so you can always add more ice. Bringing our biodegradable straw, stick it in our mug, get a sprig of mint. Oh yeah, let's slap it, get those oils. And there we have it, the fog cutter, or I'm sorry, the fog cutter. Let's give it a sip. Wow. A very, very complex drink, because you have, you know, that full bodiness from the Jamaican rum. You have the almond, the lime, the orange, the botanicals from the gin, that more boozy taste from the brandy, and you get, ooh, those oak notes from the rum Blanc Agricole. Wow. That is really good. Super complex. I love really complex tiki cocktails. Yeah. Wow. I really should stop sipping this. Don't chug this because, again, 4 ounces of alcohol. That's a ton. Wow. It's good though. Wow. Well, I'm saying wow a lot. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. See you in the next one.